Welcome to Boatshed, Yorkshire, and today we've got a classic narrowboats, 55 foot, built in 2007 with a 38 horsepower Beta Marine, in nice condition, blacked just last year with a boat safety from just last year. One double berth in the bow, good sized shower and toilet. Nice open plan galley straight into the lounge, fold down table, fridge freezer, brand new washing machine, microwave, 4-burner hob and oven and grill, plenty of storage space, solid tile floor and wood floors to the saloon, to the lounge rather, and a nice stove. Walking through into the shower room toilet. It's got a Thetford electronic flush porta potty, nice big shower, and then the forward double currently has a 3/4 captain's bed in it, but has plenty of room to put a full-size double in it. And there's the foredeck, and as you can see, loads of room in here too. This will be the only reason for the sale is due to ill health, but a nice little boat. Yeah, I'm sure you'll agree. If you'd like to know more, please have a look at the website boatshedyorkshire.com.